Hello guys, today I'll show you how you can add a new action into your WordPress themes. So you can see there has a search area. Basically it is a sidebar. Now I will add a new action before sidebar and after sidebar. So this is a WordPress theme which name is Dostart. This is the theme WordPress theme files. Then I will add a new action in WordPress sidebar.php. Let's open it with a text editor. Just open it. You can see that there has a sidebar.php which is displaying here. So just you have to declare a new action with php do action. Do action, it is a WordPress action. It's taking two parameter. One is name, another is argument. Just keep it a name before it will start before sidebar. That's it. Now we can push something before sidebar by using this name. You can see that nothing changes. Now we can add a action. Now we can add. Now we can use this action by adding the code snippet. Let's add a new code snippet, or we can use the action by functions.php. Let's go to the functions.php. You can see here appearance, then theme editor. Open up the functions.php. Now add action or action name, then call back here. If you write something here, echo text, update the file. Now you will see something before the sidebar. You can see the text is visible here. We can push anything here by using our action. Let's push a template. Just go to template kit. This template kit comes coming through unlimited theme add-ons. Just copy the shortcode. This is a template. There is few content. Now I will push this content before the sidebar. Just you have to provide the shortcode that has a also PHP shortcode. Just copy it, then paste it here. Update the file again. Sorry, PHP should remove. Now update the file. Okay, file updated successfully. Now check the page where we have added this action. This is the page. Let's refresh the page. You can see the template has been added before the sidebar. Let's declare a new action after the sidebar. Just go to the code again, just copy it, then paste it here. This will be after sidebar. Same way, you cannot see anything here because we did not add any action uh, still now. So just duplicate the code, then we can use anything here according to our need. Just I'm also testing text. Update the file. file updated, and check again here. It's still showing the before the search bar. It should to show the after sidebar. So let's see what is the problem before. So we need to change it after sidebar. Update the file. Now it should to show after the sidebar. Yes, it's working fine. So you have understand how you can add a new action into your WordPress theme. So if you think this video is useful for you, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.